In case you don't already know, I decided that for the next 30 days, I'm gonna finish and upload a song every single day. By the end of the 30 days, the song with the most likes will get an official release, and we'll host a remix contest for it right here on the channel. The song must be at least 1 minute and 30 seconds. It must have a beginning, middle, and end, and I have to upload it on SoundCloud before midnight or else I can't go to sleep. Yesterday, we made this. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I'm not gonna lie, that video took me forever to fucking finish editing, and that's why I'm filming the intro at night today. I'm pretty sure we're gonna make cooler shit, okay? We still have 29 days left. The adventure begins. It's 100 fucking degrees out here, bruv.
2 hours later.
I'm gonna use a step sequencer for fucking once. So this was the vibe I was trying to go for today, actually, so I'm glad it came out. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit, Oh fuck, it's dark as shit in here. Alright, so I think the idea is there. The structure is weak, obviously, because that's what we're practicing. That is why we're doing this. Alright, I'm gonna try to put some vocals on here. I got the motherfucking fried chicken.
It's 1:13 in the morning. I'm gonna upload it. Pretty tired, man. I have to say that every single time now. Every single time.
Alright, here we are. That's a pretty dope intro, dog. Man, I fucking love that. Sounds nice and watery. I like it. Yeah, bro, that's hard. Success, bitch! Man, what a fucking day, bruh.
I'm so tired. Thank God I already filmed the outro. Yo, shout outs to everybody showing me so much love in the comments in yesterday's video. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it. I'm done, dude. I'm tired, dude.